Alrighty then. Well, guess what? We are back again, and we are here doing the show, Cruising with a Case Handler. Of course, the show is all about personal injury law. My name is David Squeeze Anarchy, CEO of the Link Up Media Group of Companies. And we're broadcasting on 93.5 WVIP FM and also 93.5 WVIP FM HD3. It's another day, it's another dawn. I'm quite sure it's going to be another dollar and another accident. Adam, Wagwan, you're good?
Hey, Wagwan, man. Good morning to you. Yes, unfortunately, you're right. There will be another accident because that's just what happens, especially here in New York City where everybody's driving and half the people that are driving like jerks. Bad things are ultimately going to happen to good people. And the purpose of this show is to let you know who I am, what I do, and how I do it, and help you and your family pick up the pieces when, God forbid, disaster strikes, when God forbid you walk into work and somebody runs the light and hits you, or you're in the crosswalk and somebody makes that quick left turn and knocks into you, or you trip and fall on the sidewalk, or you're on that scaffold and you fall off of it, or something falls on you, or you're otherwise hurt at work. I'm here to get you as much money as possible for your medical bills, your time out of work, and your pain and suffering. And I've been doing it for nearly 20 years. My family's been doing it for over 90 years. That's right, 90 years.
Not that you are 90 years old, though.
What did you say?
Not that you are 90 years old.
No, I'm not 90. I'm 45. I just turned 45. So I guess I'm half. I've been alive half of the time that my family. No, that's not right. No, what am I talking about?
What
1932, 90 years. I don't know. My math, whatever. Ladies and gentlemen, the point is, I'm here to help. The point is, I am the most successful, longest running, most celebrated attorney on this radio station's history. If you feel that you should have that title, call into the show. Let's talk it out in the community forum and explain to me why you are the longest running attorney. Why you are the most successful attorney, why you are the most celebrated attorney, because I am very, very confident that you will lose that battle. My name is Adam Handler. Of course, they call me the Case Handler, and I'm here to help you, and I'm ready for the show, Squeeze. I got some new testimonials. We have Testimonial Tuesday. We could talk about yesterday. Lots of things to talk about, lots of exciting things to talk about. So why don't you give out the phone number a couple of times? I'll load up some magic on the casehandler.com. Oh, also more Google reviews. I mean, lots to talk about today, Squeeze.
All right, man. It's good, man. By the way, it's good to be back here with you live, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Handler. We're right here. Of course, we're streaming on Facebook. We're also on YouTube, so you can see what this black guy looks like and what that white guy over there looks like. All right. But we are the dynamic duo when it comes to radio right here for the past. Well, I've been doing it for 25 years. Adam been doing it for 18 years.
Nope. Yes, 18 years since September of 2005.
Your math is off.
My math. You know what math is not off, Squeeze?
What?
$165 million came from my client. That's a number that I'm not going to screw up today. $165 million for case handler clients over the course of my career. That number I'm not going to mess up.
So I'll tell you what we're going to do right now, ladies and gentlemen. Let me give out the phone number, and then we'll come back, and we'll see if Adam's a liar. All right? His phone number, God forbid you get hurt in an accident, is 844-774-3529. Let me be a bit slower because I get cursed out by people when I'm in the street saying, Squeeze, you can go slower with the numbers. I'll be slower. 844-774-3529. Now ask me, why would you need that number? Listen to me. There are many attorneys on this radio station, off the station, on billboards, on televisions, all over the internet. But they're nowhere near as good as Adam. Now, I can speak from the experience of working with him for a number of years. He's very family oriented. And also, of course, he makes sure that you get the maximum amount of compensation when you get into that accident. And he has proof right now where people have received $20,000, millions of dollars also. And we are going to demonstrate that. But once again, take the number 844 774 3529. That's 844 774 3529. Prior results do not guarantee similar outcome, but you would be kind of silly, I won't say stupid, to not go with the case handler, Adam Handler. So, Adam.
It's funny. You said, let's find out if Adam Handler's a liar. And
yeah, let's find out if you're a liar, man.
It brings me back to that story that I was in court and I was with my client and he was so happy, with the job that we did, so happy with the settlement. And he's like, my liar's the best. My liar's the best. This is in court. And I'm like, your liar's the best? That's what? Shh, don't say that. He goes, it was his lawyer. He was, my liar's the best. So no, I am not a liar, but yes, I am a lawyer. But then again, you know what they say, whenever a lawyer says, trust me, what should you do? Run the other freaking way, right?
Run. All right.
Run. All right. Let me share something here. I'm really proud of Testimonial Tuesday this week. Ruthie, as always, just such an amazing job. And I love our social media campaign. And the reason why I love our social media campaign, ladies and gentlemen, if you're on Facebook, The Case Handler, or Instagram, The Case Handler, you can see with your own very eyes the exceptional legal work we do, because we're not just telling you we're good. All right. We're showing you we're great. And we're showing you we're great by true life success stories. This week, the $138,250 settlement for a hit in the rear accident in Brooklyn. And when you get a crooked number like that, $138,250.
You're hitting the max.
I literally squeezed out 250. I mean, we squeezed every single penny we could out of this case. And that's why it's not, $100,000 or $90,000 or $120,000, $138,250. That was to cover all the medical bills. That was to cover all the time out of work. And of course, to compensate him for his injury. And Squeeze, if you wouldn't mind reading that quote for me, I would be appreciative.
Absolutely. All right. Would I recommend the case handler? Hell yeah, I would. Adam and Sandy were very hands-on and did an excellent job. Aaron from Brooklyn, $138,250 in settlement.
Yeah, this was an accident that took place 2 years ago. Case recently got settled. We were ready to go to trial. You could see the photograph that we're showing right here. The back is all mashed up, Squeeze. Again, ladies and gentlemen, if you can safely do so now or do so later, check out the Case Handler on Facebook. Check out the Case Handler on Instagram. We post these pictures, these true life success stories, people holding up big checks. I mean, it's really incredible what we're able to portray through this medium. So, and we're very proud of it. Let me give out the phone number a couple of times more, and then I want to play some audio messages.
I thought that's what you were going to be doing, man.
Yeah. Well, I got it ready. I mean, it's queued up, but
let's go. Chop.
I was excited to show this, but the audio messages are great too. The clients leave either a message on my voicemail, they'll record something on their phone and send it to me. And those, ladies and gentlemen, are the best endorsements. Squeeze's endorsement means the world to me. DJ Nico's endorsement means the world to me. Even the DJs and the broadcasters that broadcast later on in the day who have endorsed me year in and year out means the world to me. But truly the best possible endorsements come from those individuals that never, ever, ever, ever in a million years expected to get into an accident and then got injured, and then called the case handler. Check out this guy. He picked up his settlement check yesterday. Quite nice, as you can hear.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Errol. I just wanted to encourage anyone who will listen to this voicemail about Adam Handler. The guy is phenomenal, you all. He's phenomenal. He handled a case for me, and the outcome was fantastic. They get me a good settlement. The money was decent. Okay. I'm encouraging everyone, if you have a case, this is the law firm to use. These guys are phenomenal. These guys, spare no bars, so to speak. These guys did a great job on my behalf. The settlement, like I said, was good. So anyone having have a case, accident case, whatever the case may be, Adam is the man to call. Okay.
You are the man. Can we get
I am the man. In fact,
come on. That may have been made up, man. Let me get another one. You got to prove
made
it.
up.
Sorry, you got to prove yourself. I mean, come on. This is a show, man. He's on the line here, Adam Handler.
God, you're really putting the pressure on me. My God. How about let's check out you love this one. I know you do.
Good morning. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I would love to tell you guys about Adam. He is the absolute best. I didn't have to call him. I didn't have to text him. Anything important in the case, he reached out to me before I could even think of it. He's very informative. He's on top of everything. His team is amazing, and I appreciate him wholeheartedly. If you guys know what's best for you, go to Adam.
She articulated that very well. I like that.
She did. Here's one from a very dear friend of mine that passed away last year, Lorna. I don't know if anybody out there knows Lorna, but when you hear her voice, she was very popular in this community, and she was unbelievable. And I love playing this audio message because it just reminds me of how amazing she was. She had a case with me one time, and then probably sent me about 20 people, 20 of her friends, co-workers, everybody. She was unbelievable. Lorna, sleep in peace, lady. Thank you so much for everything.
If you need a good personal injury lawyer, call Adam Handler, the case handler. Adam and his team, very, very polite people. They treat you like family. I've known Adam for a couple of years, and I've sent many clients to see him, and everyone has been excited for, what he has done for them. So if you need a good attorney, please call Adam Handler for your personal injury. And as the commercial goes, you're in good hands with Adam Handler, the case handler.
After she recorded that, I remember like busting her chops because she's like, "You're in good hands." That's the Allstate slogan.
Right.
That's the people that I take the money from.
Wow.
We have time for one more. I'd love to play another one. I mean, I can listen.
Squeeze it in, man.
I got hundreds of these things. Let's try this guy, Trevor. Love him, baby.
Hello, my name is Trevor. I have an case in which I forward to Adam for him to take care of, which I've been listening to Adam for so many years. I know and I have confidence in him to deal with this case, and so far I'm very appreciative to what he have done for me, and all thanks to him because he's a very, very good, loyal lawyer. Do his work, contact his people, stay on top of things. And I'm just recommending Adam right now to anyone that even have a problem, to just give him a call and they'll be happy in the end. So, thanks to Adam for dealing with my case, and I appreciate him so very much and his group, so thank you very much. One love, Adam. Thank you.
I can hear the sincerity in his voice.
Yeah, I love that one.
Great.
I love that one. Ladies and gentlemen, these people are not paid spokesperson people. They're not paid spokespersons or people, whatever you want to say. These are real individuals who had lots of choices, lots of choices for attorneys. And they've been listening to the message that we've been broadcasting on this radio station, for 18 years. You got one chance to get it right. You got one chance to get as much money as possible if, God forbid, you're in an accident. And that's why we say one chance, one choice, one case handler. Often imitated, never duplicated. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a third-generation personal injury attorney here to serve you. You've embraced me. I've embraced you back. I'm sorry to say it, but if your lawyer's name is not Adam Handler, you have the wrong attorney. Mic drop right there. All right. Have a great day. Be safe. 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. You can Google the case handler. Check out the case handler on Facebook. Check out the case handler on Instagram.
You know, you pay me a lot of money to say that number, right?
I do know I pay you a lot of money, yes, and to say it.
You do what I got to do. Okay,
All right, but you know what? You know what? I have a feeling you'd be saying it anyway.
Right?
You'd be saying it anyway.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, all jokes aside, please do not make the mistake that many others have made, and that's by selecting the wrong attorney and then trying to figure out if they can actually now come to Adam Handler. In some cases, maybe you can, but it may be too far gone. Just note the number once again. It's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. I'll say this much. You will be pressured. You'll be put under duress by other broadcasters and other attorneys. But here's what you do. Even if you have some doubt about Adam, although he's the most continuous and contiguous attorney on the radio station, there's absolutely no one like him. Believe it or not, none. You can check it out for yourself. Here's what you do. Get someone like Adam to do a second opinion. In other words, use Adam Handler as your second opinion, all right? And make sure you dig deep. Ask for the testimonies. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bid you farewell. I'm going to kick it back to DJ Chair right here on 93.5 WVIP FM and also, of course, on multiple other radio stations. Adam.
My friend, hi.
Thanks a lot, man.
Love you, bro.
For taking care of the community. All right.
Hey, listen, it's my pleasure. It's talk about everybody winning. My goodness gracious. It's a unique position I have in my life that just everybody can win. I've literally, over the course of my career in obtaining that money, have created generational wealth for individuals that got into serious accidents. And it couldn't make me feel any better helping right that wrong.
There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Cruising with a Case Handler right here. Make sure you check it out each and every single weekday and at the top of every hour on this station. I'm David Squeezaniki. I'm out for now. With that said, we say goodbye. Walk good.